guys, welcome back with Chuflo. Today we're going to be opening up two Toy Mini Brands 5 Surprise. Oh, I'm so excited.
I want to go first.
I'm just going to get the wrapping off because there's another 2 layers of wrapping.
Seriously?
Yes, clear one but it's easy. That's it.
Oh, there's this clear.
Yeah. This one's like, they're like stickers.
Okay. They are all open. As you can see, I am going to do the first one.
Love them. Oh my god, that was good.
SpongeBob SquarePants
Wait, show them.
meme. It's Sponge. Oh, that's so cute.
I know this.
I love this one. That's so. Oh my. Here's a checklist. There's a fingerling. I just want to look at it.
Golden gun. Okay, I got mine up, and you go first. Okay.
No, you do one now. You do one now.
Okay.
I'll do one, then you do one.
I got a basket thing. What is this?
To build it, I think.
It's like a rolling thing, so you can like take your things with you.
I don't think we're gonna build it though. Well, in this video. Alright, so next one.
2 5 Surprise stickers.
Water balloons.
I got those.
I got water balloons. Those are awesome. I like mine too.
Oh, I got this thing doll.
Ren. From Ren and Snippy.
Ren and Snippy doll.
Snippy doll. This is so much fun.
I know there's so much going happening.
This one's already coming open. What is this?
Oh my god.
This is like a hula hoop, I think.
You're gonna be jealous of this one.
Hula hoop, I think.
Hula hoop. I got a Nerf gun.
Okay. Where did you close-ups on?
This one's cool because it shows the Nerf gun.
Where did you close-ups on all the ones we got after that?
I have 2 more.
I got the golden one!
You got golden SpongeBob.
Yes! I knew
That one's rare. It should be
this
really
is the ultra
excited.
rare. This is the gold. Right there, you can see the golden SpongeBob. Oh, yes. What is it when I look?
Crayons.
So this is my last one. Okay. Oh. A Frisbee. Okay, now I'm going to show you all the ones I got.
No, let me go.
Just do your last one.
It's a Blaze guy.
Crusher.
Crusher. How do you remember that?
I should remember it.
Crusher. Wow.
So I got a Frisbee. The common SpongeBob meme to meme. And then the golden SpongeBob meme. Water balloons and a hula hoop.
And I got a car. I got crayons. I got a little Crusher Blaze machine doll. I got Ren and Snippy Nickelodeon doll. And I got a X-Shot Nerf gun. There's a golden one.
I want to see this. I didn't get to see it.
I want to see this.
There it is, if you didn't see it. Okay, so now we're going to pick our favorite one. Now we're going to do our least. Okay. Mine is definitely the golden SpongeBob.
Mine is definitely my Nerf gun.
And then what is your least? Mine's my hula hoop.
Mine's my cart. You didn't get any cart.
Okay.
You're supposed to get caught in
I don't have
everyone.
it.
You can put them back in the container and shut them again.
Let me try and do it. Okay.
I found my lid. Okay. That's the cool thing about them. And the cool thing about them, they have 5 surprises.
There's a lid right here. I don't know where it went.
So one there, one. Hey, that's mine!
What?
Did you see me literally put that there?
It was there.
Okay.
It's right here.
I'm not gonna put
Okay,
that
so-
in.
Okay, I can't do it. So, make sure you like,
And-
comment, and
and
subscribe. And this
And-
has been another episode of Chill with Lil. Chillsters! Thanks for watching.
Bye.